Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Well, I don't have a lot going on tomorrow. I'm taking a pizza. And you know I'm trying to get rid of this rutabaga. I shouldn't say that. I'm trying to finish off the loaded rutabaga. So I'm taking that with me because tomorrow night I'm having a salad and I'm going to have turkey. So I didn't want to take a salad. But yeah, so I'm taking that. And I'm going to take a spoon for my rutabaga, loaded rutabaga. So I'll be eating this. And that's what I got. Yeah, I'm just not overly with it tonight. I'm just going to cheat and I'm holding you. So I hope you don't get seasick. Okay, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It's breakfast time. So I've got my vanilla yogurt and I have my egg casserole. We're going to add some flavoring to the yogurt. For a while, I was eating yogurt and cottage cheese every morning. And I was adding just flavor enhancer to it. But you gotta be careful so it don't splash back out on you. But just a little bit. And then you can mix it up. And if you buy plain, you can add whatever flavor you want to. If you buy vanilla, you can change up the flavor. So, you know, you can do whatever you want to do, or you can eat it plain or vanilla. When I have white on, I definitely do that. But just gives it a fun flavor. Sometimes I use the energy ones. But yeah, so this will be my breakfast, and I have most of my protein coffee left. Okay, bye. Hey, I'm in a webinar, so I gotta hurry. But I got my pizza, and I got my loaded rutabaga mash. So that's what I'm having for lunch. Okay, bye. Y'all, I'm starving. I just got home. I got on my pajamas, and I am hungry jack. It's barely even 4:38. That's how quick of a drive I have from work to home. I get off at 4:30. Look, I cut my hair. I layered it up. And, yeah, I think it's kind of fun. I like it. I like it. I haven't worn it curly, you know, so tomorrow I'll wash it and see. I'll see if I wear it curly. I'll see how it's looking whenever it's kind of wet. All right, let's get on to supper. We're going to have a big salad. And I feel like I want to warm my chicken up. This is rotisserie chicken. I'm going to microwave this for about 1 minute. And we're going to get a bigger bowl for our salad, so hold up. Listen. Every day, I keep saying I'm going to put some jicama into my vinegar. And every day, y'all keep letting me forget. So right now, right here and now, I'm doing it. I'm just going to put, this is the empty one that I've just been putting the juice in. So I'm just going to put a few in, and we're going to taste it. What is today, Wednesday? We'll taste it this weekend. We're just going to let them float in there. They're down at the very bottom. We're going to let them just soak and see how they do. In the meantime, let's make us a big old chef salad. I don't think I have any boiled eggs or anything, but so this will be not really a chef salad, but it'll be a Terry salad. Let me get out my spoon here. Let's get some jicama on. I'm glad I'm shopping soon because this jicama is pretty good. Oh, well, you gotta lick his ears gentle, Sam. It's brown. It don't taste bad. So, anyway, I gotta go shopping. So I gotta get some more jicama and rutabaga and all that good stuff. Let's see. I'm gonna add, these are the mild banana peppers. I want to taste this, see if I like this liquid, to see if I want to. That's awful spicy, but that might be good to mix with my other stuff. what I was debating on, what I was debating on was pouring the liquid out and catching these in a strainer. But since I do, so I was going to pour it out over the sink. But since I want to keep the liquid, I don't want to do that. But I could do this. Holy moly! I'm breaking stuff, y'all. All right, this is what I could do. I got one of these little strainers, and I could hold it over here. I just want to get to the banana pepper, so I know, yes, I'm dirtying up something I don't need to dirty up, but that's all right. That's all right. So that's a lot of banana peppers. I don't want that many in my dealie, like on top of how many I already have. So I'll put them in here, and tomorrow I'll just put, or the next day I'll put these on my salad. And I need a lid because, like I said, I want to keep this liquid. I want to keep this brine, and I'll add it to my other brines. Now, okay, so we're going to have some of the pickled veggies that I made up. I still have, I think, 4 more of these. It was cucumbers, bell peppers, I think a little bit of onion in there. And, right, let's see. I can set that there for a minute. I'm going to add some of these roasted red bell peppers. Well, today's the day I figured out the name of my car, Tawanda. I just think that's perfect. I was thinking about that movie, and the movie, fried green tomatoes. It was about a lady. She was very passive, and people kind of bullied her and I'm adding some sun-dried tomatoes. People kind of bullied her, and she would go and visit her mother at the nursing home every day. So if you haven't seen fried green tomatoes, and I'm telling you, push skip. Tap the skip button a couple times because I'm about to talk about it. And I don't know if it was her mother she was going to see or her mother-in-law, but even her husband kind of bullied her a little bit. Like I said, she was a very passive woman. And so in the movie, she was going to see her mother, and she met this lady who lived there named Iggy. And as they were talking, this is some bacon bits. As they were talking, the lady, she was a resident there, and Iggy was talking about her life. And so they would do a lot of cut scenes back to when Iggy was younger. And Iggy, she was kind of a tomboy. And I think she was like, she'd wear pants when it wasn't appropriate to wear pants. And she would just be out digging in the dirt with the boys and whatnot. It was a southern movie, a country red, I don't know which kind of style movie. Anyway, country music movie. And anyway, so the lady who was going to visit her mother got to talking to this lady in the nursing home. And I was hearing the stories of when that lady was younger and in her youth. And so then one day, the lady who was visiting her mother, she was hearing these stories, and you could tell she was gaining some confidence. And one of the Iggy's alter ego, what she called herself, was Tawanda. So one day when the main character, who, like I said, was visiting her mother-in-law, whoever it was, in the home, she was in a parking lot. I'm looking for some more dressing. Hang on. In the other spot. Hold up. Okay. Anyway, so the lady, she was in a parking lot. I can't remember the actress's name. She was Catherine Beatty. I don't know. Whatever her name is. So the one who was visiting her mother and hearing the story about Tawanda. She was in a parking lot. And then about to pull into a parking spot to go get her groceries. And this young thing just whipped in with her sports car into her spot. And that was her moment. That was that lady's moment. And she was like, no more. Nobody's going to bully me. Nobody's going to, be mean to me anymore. She finally, it's like she had that moment where she just decided to start standing up for herself. And she just drove right into the girl's car. I don't remember if she hit it once or twice, but she just rammed into that girl's car. But as she hit that gas pedal, she yelled out, Tawanda! And hit the gas pedal. And anyway, this is Thousand Island dressing. Whenever I add the chicken, I add a little bit more because it needs some extra liquid in there. But anyway, so she yelled out, Tawanda! And hit the gas and ran right into that girl's car. And the lady, the girl got out. She's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you hit my car. And the lady said something like, I'm older, I'm wiser, and I have better car insurance. Something to that effect. Anyway, like I said, it's been years since I watched it. So, that's why it's perfect. I'm older, I'm wiser, and I'm a lot more different than what I was 3 years ago. So this car is my coming to age car. It is my Tawanda moment. All right, so that's what I'm going to have for supper. Y'all have a good night. You know what? Hang on. I want to put a little bit of seasoning on it. So yeah, so the car is my Tawanda moment. Okay, yeah, let's get back to the salad here. You come to see what I'm eating, not to hear me rattle. Although I think sometimes y'all do like to hear me rattle. My daddy used to say, I talk just to hear my own head rattle. So he used to say that about my mom too. We just talk to hear our head rattle. All right, that is my supper. It is a massive, massive salad with chicken, rotisserie chicken, some bacon. You could put cheese on it, but I figure the bacon and turkey is plenty of calories. So that's all I'm doing. And that's going to be my supper, y'all. You have a good evening. All right, bye.